But let's go ahead and draw it. So we have, again, not a perfect circle. Now, the length that they give you goes all the way across. So in order to find the radius, she's right, you would just take 4.2 and divide by 2. So your radius would be 2.1. So the point of this example is you can't just look at the diagram and say, oh, that's the radius, okay? You've got to use a little bit of common sense, really, to figure out the radius would just be half of that. Now we're going to plug it into the formula, so it would be pi r squared. So it would be pi times 2.1 squared. And again, we can pull up the calculator and see what that would give us. Actually, what I'm going to do is just change this 5 to 2.1. It's the same thing. Round that to the nearest tenth would be 13.9. I'm just going to write it up here because I don't feel like scrolling down. And that would give us the area approximately.